Lace up your boots, the whistle blows. Every heartbeat stronger grows. Under the lights we stand as one. 90 minutes till it's done. Fall today, rise tomorrow. Turn our pain into our power. Every pass, every fight, we're chasing dreams under. I lost my left sock in the laundry bin. It came back crooked with a blue pin. Spun with the towels, fell out the sleeve. Now it's on my chair. On the edge of your window, half full of rain, half full of glow. You said take it home. Like you weighed nothing, like a small white thing. You change everything. And I laughed too loud at the shape of
from every nation, near and far, we follow hope beneath one star. The colors rise, the flags unfold. A million dreams, one story told. Every heartbeat, every langkah berani menuju kejayaan. Teknologi dan impian jadi paduan. Bersama Smart Dream kita melangkah, mencipta masa depan yang indah. Bangkit, berlari jangan mundur. Dengan semangat dan keyakinan, Smart Dream jadi kebanggaan. Smart Dream terus bersinar ke arah masa depan yang gemilang. Bersama melangkah kejayaan. From the first hello to every smile, we've walked together mile by mile. Through the laughter, through the tears, you've been with me through the years. When the road gets hard to see,
in a castle made of golden light, you shine like stars across the night. With a heart so kind, a smile so bright, you fill the world with pure delight.